I wish to share an interesting story with you all. Something that really excited me. This is the story of my backyard butcher bird, the long-tailed shrike. It started off as a routine session of patch birding until this happened. We've just seen something quite interesting now. I was just walking around and came across this long-tailed shrike, which had just killed a purple-rump sunbird. It was quite interesting, and he's pinned it on a thorn somewhere there, as shrikes do. They impale their prey on a thorn or a branch. So just setting that up, and I'm just waiting for the shrike to come back to the carcass. I have this neat contraption from Swarovski, which is basically the 23mm adapter and the TLS APO mount, which works as simple as that. I have a new lens for my Lumix. The advantage of using the Swarovski ATX scope as a lens for my camera, apart from the fact that I get high quality footage, is that it lets me maintain a good distance from the action without actually altering the behavior of the bird in any way. That's not a pretty sight. Wow, that was something I've never seen before. A shrike killing and impaling a sunbird is really interesting behavior, and to be able to document it, quite fantastic.